Part 1. Introducing Building Element. One of the non-load-bearing components that is implemented in the early stages of construction is the flooring at ground level or slab on grade. Due to direct contact with the ground, measures must always be taken to prevent soil moisture from entering the building and the growth of plants under the soil. Part 2. Implementing details. The existing soil must be compacted. If the existing soil is not compactable, part of it is replaced with compactable soil. To prevent plant growth and moisture from transferring upward, a 1 to 3 cm layer of lime powder and sand mixture is applied to the soil. To prevent soil moisture from transferring to higher levels, several layers of dry stone are used. First, large pieces of stone, then smaller pieces of stone with a thickness of 7 cm, and finally a gravel and sand mixture with a minimum thickness of 1 cm are poured into the flooring area. The total crushed stone layer is between 25 and 45 cm. Concrete with low cement content of 150 kg per cubic meter is applied to a thickness of 5 cm to level and prevent the concrete from coming into contact with the underlying surfaces. Concrete with a minimum cement content of 250 kg per cubic meter is applied to a thickness of at least 10 cm according to the structural design. The next layer is a moisture barrier that is applied between 2 layers of sand and cement mortar. The moisture barrier layer can be bitumen-based prefabricated moisture barrier. The sand that makes up the cement sand mortar must be fine so as not to damage the moisture barrier. The total of 2 layers of cement sand mortar, in addition to smoothing the surface, is a protection for the moisture barrier. The thickness of the moisture barrier and mortar is at least 4.5 cm. The next layer is cement sand mortar, which has a minimum thickness of 2.5 cm. Stone tile is applied to a thickness of at least 2.5 cm on the cement sand mortar. Because the bottom surface of the stone's tile is smooth, a groove must be created under the stone for the mortar to adhere. Cement grout is applied between the joints of the stone's tile. The distance between the stones is between 5 and 20 mm. Part 3. Constituent materials. Part 4. Reference.